To eliminate a fishy smell in your refrigerator, it's essential to identify the source of the odor. A common reason for this smell is rotten food. So it's crucial to check your refrigerator for any spoiled items. Smell each food item and discard anything that smells like fish or has mold on it. Another possible cause is a malfunctioning refrigerator, which can lead to moisture buildup and a fishy smell. To address this, inspect all parts of your fridge, including the fan, overload sensor, thermostat, and compressor, and consider hiring a professional to repair any broken components. Additionally, a dirty drip pan can also cause a foul smell, as stagnant water in the pan can harbor bacteria, resulting in a fishy odor. To fix this, locate the drip pan at the bottom of your refrigerator, remove it, and clean it with water and vinegar. By addressing these potential causes, you can effectively get rid of a fishy smell in your refrigerator.